Here comes the butterfly. Here he comes.
Hi, McKenna. McKenna. McKenna.
Look at Mama.
Oh, God.
You stand there. Mommy doesn't want crying. Mommy doesn't want crying.
McKenna,
Right.
do you have a pretty dress on today? Who's at the door? Who's at the
Come
door?
in.
McKenna. I can see your pretty face.
We have to wait till I'm done with the doorbell. Up.
You want to get down and run around a little bit? I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Hi. Oh, you look so pretty. Where's your pretty socks?
Oh, jeez. Take that shot.
McKenna.
How you doing, baby girl?
McKenna. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? I see you. McKenna, I see you. McKenna.
Where's Mommy?
Where are you? Hi.
Peekaboo, Mommy.
Hi, McKenna. Where are you going? Are you silly? Are you silly, girl? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. What are you getting out of there? What you getting? McKenna. Well, like you're the Viewmaster. You gonna watch something? Oh. Oh.
Look at pictures. There they are. Did Grammy put them in for you? Here, Grammy do it.
Mommy
Here, Grammy do
taking
it.
a video of you right now.
Let me do it. All right, take it away. Put it in.
Here. Boop. Yeah. Yes. I don't know how much room is left on this card, you know. I want to do his graduation. Graduation from preschool.
Oh, was he graduating college? Yeah, really went fast. Let me take it out. Well, that's it. It's in. See, it's in. Now you just go like that and look at the picture. See? See?
No. You cut the grass? Cut the grass.
Cut the grass for Grandpa.
Go. Get pulled out. Where are you going, Nugget?
Georgie.
Goodness, you're all over the place.
Get Georgie.
No, we're not opening
There's
that.
nothing in there for you.
No.
Get Georgie. Bye, Georgie. Or goodbye.
Georgie. Oh, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. You like him? Oh, you done? Okay. Bye.